Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix your phone number is banned for using WhatsApp. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all I will tell you main reasons WhatsApp ban numbers. So the first reason is that the same message sent to multiple user numbers just like spamming. And the second reason is that used for advertising purpose. And third is that creating too many groups. And the fourth is that sending message just like unlawful, threatening, harassment and hateful. And the fifth reason is that you are sending bulk message to unknown people and unlisted contacts. And sixth is that you are sharing in group and broadcast website URL and links from multiple time a day. And the seventh reason is that you are creating and share text message, porn related contacts and adult related in groups and broadcasts. And the eighth reason is that blocking your WhatsApp number by your friends and listed contacts and other people. So when you're these things given, then your number is blocked. So how to block unban this your number? So first of all, take a screenshot of this message. After that, click on a support button. When you click on a support button, then you can open a new dialog box. Now in this, add a screenshot, and screenshot is optional, it's not compulsory. And type your problems like dear sir, I will not misuse WhatsApp feature, please unban my WhatsApp number, I will not do it again. After that, click on a next button. When you click on next button, you can select a question. So select the last is option is this does not answer my question. So click on it. When you click on it, then you can open a email address. You can select a email which is want to use it. So I selected a Gmail. When you click on a Gmail, then you can automatically created a email. You can simply click on a send button and send the this email to WhatsApp. So after that, it's take 20 to 24 to 28 hour times. You can receive a email about that your mobile number is unbanned. So this is a way to unban your WhatsApp number. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.